Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you to set up your own Discord server from scratch to basic. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and also to hit that bell icon for more videos. Let's go. Okay, in order to create our Discord server, let's open our Discord app. Has opened. At the top left corner of your app, you can see a plus button over there. Let's click there, and you can see a create your server interface has appeared. You can choose from any template you like, from gaming to local community. Since we are setting up our own server, push create my own to create my own server, and I'll be using for me and my friends. You have reached over here, so here you can rename your server on whatever you like for this video's purpose. I'll be renaming it YouTube test version 1. Okay, and create server. You can upload a photo from there also, but I'll do it later. You can do it right now if you choose to, and the topic will be information for now. And take me to my server, and a link has appeared, guys. This link is can be used to invite your friends and family, or anybody you want to invite into your server from this link. I'll be ditching it for right now. And congratulations everybody, our server has been created. Now it's only remaining that we need to set it up. Now once we have created our server, our Discord app will greet us with this welcome gesture. You can see a button with a three line. When you click there, you can see there are two text channels, general information, and a one voice channel, general. Now since we are going to set up our own Discord server, let's add some channels, add some text channels, let's add some voice channels. Okay, let's go. So let's make some text channels, and let's create a welcome channel. Anybody comes to our, we need to welcome them, so let's just make a welcome channel first. Okay, click our welcome channel. Our text channel has been created, and again let's just create a rules channel, so whomever enters shall know the rules in a way. Okay, rules channel. Okay, this will also be a text channel, so text channel it is. Okay, and after that we will be creating an announcement channel to make all our announcements. So again, click over there, let's create an announcements channel. Okay, next we are going to make a couple of different moderator and administrator chats, so that moderators and admin can chat on their own without getting disturbed by the members. Okay, let's go admin. Okay, and let's add another channel moderator for the moderators to handle our channel moderators. Okay guys, we have just created our moderator channel. Next we are going to make some video channel for you to share your videos on too. Okay, let's create that. Okay, just hit the plus button again, and videos channel, videos. Okay, after that let's add a live stream channel for showing all your live streams too. Let's go and let's add it, live stream channel. Done. After that, let's make a channel for memes for the people to just have fun. And okay, let's create a meme channel over here, memes. Okay, and now I think it's enough text channels for our basic server, and you guys can always add your preferred channels, but for now we will be setting up only a basic server, so I'll be setting up this much text servers. And now we are gonna add some voice channels. Make sure you select the voice channels when you do this. Okay, and let's add game chat on select. Again, please select voice channels over here, and let's create a game chat room. If anybody in your server wants to play a game, and they have a place to talk, so that's why we're creating a game chat room. And let's make another game chat room, game chat room 1 and game chat room 2. If a bunch of people on your server want to play some games, game chat 3. Okay, we have successfully created set up a basic server with voice channels and text channels. Now let's categorize them and sort them out. Okay, let's make some categories. To create some categories, you have to again click the three dots on the top, almost top corner of your phone. As you can see, you create event, create channel, create category. For now, we'll be creating a category. Okay, create category, and create category name wants to be welcome, since we want people after coming to our server to go to the welcome room and receive some warm welcomes. Okay, click OK, and there is our welcome category. Let's just create another category for discussion. This is the place where you will be discussing and showing your all videos discussions. Okay, there are our welcome and discussion category. Now let's sort our channel accordingly. To sort our channels accordingly to the category, you must again click the three dotted button over here at the top, almost top right corner, and there you can see settings. Click over there, and on the fourth option there is, you can see channels. Click there, and after you have clicked there, you can see on categorize channels over here, only categorized on the basis of text channels and voice channels. Let's sort this out. Again, at the top right corner of the phone, you can see those three lines. Click over there, and you can see category, voice channels, and text channels. For now, we'll be organizing the text channel. So text channel it is. Now we will be drag and dropping our welcome channel to the welcome category. Let's go. Okay, and also the rules channel to the welcome category, since if anybody dives into our server, we want to receive a warm welcome and we want them to know some rules. After that, on the discussions category, we want to drag and drop our information. After that, our announcements and our videos, our live streams and memes, so they can be have a little bit of fun as well as some work done also. After that, we have sorted out our general categories. Now let's make another category for our admin and moderators, so we can give the privilege to them to chat privately without getting disturbed by members. Again, to create a category, the three buttons on the top corner of your phone, after you swipe it, and create a category, and we will be creating a admin category panel. Okay, and let's sort things out again once again. Okay, settings again, channels. Okay, now we will be shifting our admin channel to the admin category. Okay, admin, and there is our moderator. Now we have set up our Discord server accordingly. Now let's sort out the categories again. By sort out by categories, let's put the text channels at the below and the game channels at also the below, voice channels, and done. You see guys, it's this easy to set up a Discord server from an Android phone. And if you have any confusion relating to this thing, then you can comment and ask me directly. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and also to hit that bell icon for more videos.